Last month for Father's Day, I did a reel over on Instagram with my son Finn, and it was our annual Father's Day styling video, and I had so much fun doing that I thought maybe we should do it again and turn it into a full-length video showcasing what we did in that reel, which was an updated hairstyle for my son using the Blumaan lineup. If you've seen our past styling videos, you might have noticed that we do tend to do kind of the same thing around because he's got kind of a built-in hairstyle. This time around too, we did decide to change things up a little bit. A lot of the time in the past, we have done a kind of polished look, but Finn's getting bigger now, and I'm talking every minute now it seems like. And he asked me when we started this if he could try something different, so here's what we did. Now, if you did see the reel that I made, you pretty much know what we're gonna do here already, but for everyone else, here's what we're starting with: freshly washed and dried hair. I didn't put any pre-styler in there or anything to start with because his hair is pretty easy to style with at this stage. His fine hair really doesn't need a lot of extra hold and extra things in there. And on top of that, we are going to be using the Monarch matte paste from Blumaan today, which responds really well in his hair with a great amount of hold. Now, what he wants essentially is his standard style. We call it his built-in hairstyle, as it's what his hair just gravitates towards. It almost just wants to part itself and look perfect. But he wants to change things up. He wants to add more texture, a little more volume, something cooler, as Finn describes it. And I felt achieving this would be super easy with this product here because the product in his hair essentially does all the work. And that's really evident in what you're seeing here. All I'm really doing is adding in the product and using my fingers to just make sure it's worked in. And after that, all I'm doing is giving everything a good tussle to encourage the natural texture and volume the formula has within it to just kind of come out in his hair. I'm also doing a little bit of twisting here and there and just shaping pieces to finish things off. After all that, I do like to finish this style by just polishing up the sides a bit. Just give it a quick comb around the sides just to clean it up a little bit. I really love that blend of polished and messy. I think it looks great, and in the end, this is our result. All right, I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. I can't personally believe Finn is as big as he is. It feels like just 10 seconds ago I was bringing him on the channel for the first time. Also, I want to mention these techniques are not just for kids his age. All this stuff can apply to folks with a finer hair type, or even if you have a thicker hair type, you can still do this. I would just start with a pre-styler with good hold and structure first, and then go in with the Monarch matte paste and do exactly what we did here. All of this will still apply. If you do want to check out this product or anything else from the Blumaan lineup, you can find a link in the description along with a coupon code. It's just my name, Mike. Put that in the coupon box and save yourself some money. I will be back with another episode real soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.